sa ilua.
Bali, ma'am. Sige na, ma'am. Ako rani, ma'am.
Dili ba kung siyempre wala dili.
Dito lang ta, ma'am, oh.
May gabi sa tanan. May hilakay ba? Actually, ang akong message, wala yun ko na kung ano ka na nag-prepare. But this message is from my son na naa siya karon sa Austria. So, ako lang nilive kay para ano po siya, murag na witness kaya po niya ang wedding sa iyong brother. Mauni ang iyong message. To my dear younger brother, Sadie, the day has finally come. The day you become someone's husband. It's so real to think that the chubby little kid who used to beg for noodles every single day, like it was a basic children right, is now all grown up. You were honestly a unique kid. While most kids spend their pocket money on candy or toys, but you were sipping coins into your piggy bank like a tiny financial advisor with a bottomless stomach. I'm pretty sure you were the only 7-year-old with a piggy bank, a savings plan, and a secret noodle fund. I witnessed how you evolved into the man you are today. From the noodle loving, coin-stealing little kid to someone who now stands strong, focused, and ready to build a life with the person you love. Your dedication has always extraordinary when you set your mind on something you don't wish to create. You work hard, stay focused, and give it your all. That determination is something I've always admired in you. And I know it will carry you far in your marriage and your dream and everything throws your way. To Gina Lynn, welcome to the family. Even though, to be honest, you've been part of it for a long time. Diba? You're married a man with a big heart. And of course, a mother-in-law with a heart. A full wallet and a stomach that never truly full. To both of you, marriage isn't about one big yes. It's about 1,000 little yeses every day after it takes commitment to keep choosing each other. Both physically, emotionally. Even when things aren't easy, it's important to normalize the fact that it gets difficult sometimes. When two people raised differently with different personalities and perspectives come together. There are bound to be disagreements, arguments, and challenges. That's just part of it. But that's also what makes marriage both difficult both difficult and beautiful. Because every effort you put in it, every compromise, every late night conversation, and every small act of love, it all adds up. And trust me, it's all worth it. So today, as you hand in hand, stepping into the sacred bond called marriage, congratulations on this beautiful beginning. First page pa lang to, kay sana pamantuba, niya gutom na kayo. But my only message is, Jean, you can officially call me Mama. Kaya nga nung hindi siya, I really waited for the time na ako din siya isulti. Grabe lang, pinag-kiss kaya gano'n. Supposedly, they will get married ato pang January 28. But, of course, my one and only love, my forever love, na hangtod karon na pa'y pahal, na siya sa heaven. Although we are Christians, bitaw ba, may ngunit nga akong pagtuo kay once ang tao mamatay nyo, wala naman eh, may ko, alam-alam sa lugar ni Lord, si Satanas, hindi ba, sa pagkain. Kaya every day, I have, kanang, isang mga chord, mga anana, I have, kanang ginaon sa iwing, tulo, ano ba ang iwing nga, pumahong kinyag heart, binlan niya o mga mungho sa kilid. But, hope, our love with your Papa, ay, ako pa hirapan din. Kuhaan siya, kada ba, kung nakita man ninyo kung unsa among pagminahalay, akong gibinisaya, kung ba akong husband yun siya, ano? Ito, ako lang wala akong heart because I really miss my husband kay. Tanan ko na ibo sa ingon ni Pastor Galina, I am a wife nga, ingon dito kumana kay, ang yan ang pinipili sa ako kay, mapagmahal because dili ko kabalo magluto since nawala siya, puro nag-ibig ka rin diriya. Honestly, because inana ko ka-love sa akong husband. Ako ang wife, na dili kabalo kawin sa kutsilyo, dili maghiwa because I am also an only child. Then pag iyon na, ako titubag, si Chris, kabalo rin mo hawin ang martilyo, ko hawin na. Kaliwat sa mama. But hopefully, and then, murag, ang part ni Ginaline kay siya ang akong husband. Ikaw ko, compatible yan po sila. But, mayon yun ko nga, now that Ginaline is with us, nana ko baby girl daw, nana ko only child din ako, din ako mga anak is 2 boys, so, then, Ginaline, ilangit ko gaagin yung anak, ito na sa iya, Jen, anak ko, ino na lang yan si Seth, ito sila na, but, I'm so happy. Welcome to Flora family. Yeah, makita nyo, kamay kayo ba? Then, pila na ni Pag-o pag-ingon. Then, pagka Ginaline, na ito ka na ang sa stage. Diba? Kaya almost all. But I'm so happy nga. Kanang, ang support sa pagpamalain pala na mo, ganahan kayo, ikan sa buhol, ikan sa huli, sige kong test, asa na mo, even my deep end family. I think of Josa, wala ka nila ko ha, but I'm so happy na ako supervisor, wala ko ni ko imitar, wala kinaba, wala na imitar, ang pag-imitar, wala rin. I love you all, salamat kayo sa mga pastor, sa mga bisita katungtanan, sa mga ninong, mga ninang, nga, kanang, asa ko mga kaubanan na pinag-iitang kabog, ang akong bugto nga, mo itigugos sa unang only nga ig-agaw with his wife o he had 2 children. Maura yun in town ang ni-adili ng ang relatives. But, I know in the whole world, nalalaw ko karon, sorry, tawa mo diri. Kita, love you all. Thank you so much. Salamat ako kanila.
Alright, thank you so much to Dr. Deborah Flora for your well wishes to the newlyweds. At this time, we would like to request the father of the bride, Mr. Danny Aki.
Mami, dili. Di ka magsulti.
Hello, gabi saudara. Aku lagi konsultasi sa inyo di, sila orang na.
Wala, galahan ko.
Grabe ka bubog na message, pero murag ang lako naman yung sister. Now, it answers my question as to why dugay gibuhian ka lang. Alright, so anyways, ladies and gentlemen, a big hand to the very supportive and loving parents of the bride and groom. Huwag nadawat, naging ninyo ang pinaka-bilinghon na regalo when you celebrate your wedding kay dawat gid mo sa usag-usag pamilya. And now, ladies and gentlemen, there is a saying that goes, it takes two to tango. Whatever will happen, Chris and Jeneline will always be there to each other. Let us all witness their first couple years.
I found the Lord for me. Darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own. And in your eyes, you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark.
And now it's time for our newlyweds to seal their first couple dance with a kiss. Kiss! 10 seconds!
Singing to our
10-second kiss! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10! Ladies and gentlemen, begin once again for their first couple dance. Murag mas kikinig kayo ng mga bata noon ng mga underage para ba din So ladies and gentlemen, we can once again to their first couple dance. And of course, when we celebrate weddings, part of our tradition and custom is wishing the couple bountiful living and good fortune as they're starting their lives together as husband and wife. So wala na to ato ang naantad ng money dance or gala-gala, the beating of cash onto the bride's gown and groom suit. We will do it by String of Love. PC sa gugma. Kay sama daw sa PC. Never ending gini ang inahang gugmaan. So ay mga envelopes na naa sa iyong mga lamisa, fill it in with cash that you wanted to share to the couple. So yun lang na yung isabit dahil sa ilang String of Love. So let's start with the parents and the bride and groom. Ikan sa kinikanan sa mga bagong kasal. Followed by their principal sponsors, mga Maninoy o Paninay.
Kain pa. Magwasa ko na tayo. Ano-anong tayo.